Hello guys, welcome to another course of Eurocrawl 2024. This time is course number 6, which was my second course of the day. This course was really difficult, and it was the one that probably gave me the win. So this is gate number 1. I tried to go as much to the left as possible because I knew that the car wanted to slide down, and it worked out perfectly. You'll see just a little bit and then I dig up. Look at the people that are standing up. This is very deceiving. The rock face is extremely steep. We were the second course, so second guys on this, second group on this, and it was not so slippery, but it got worse over the day. So here I'm taking a reverse. You could go from down, but it was very risky. This was not so risky. So I make a reverse, and then here you'll see me dig, and I'll do a second reverse, which frustrated me a lot because I only did this one, reverse here. I only did it because I was explaining my radio setup, and I left it in high mode, so I made the reverse. So I come back down, I go up another gate, just straight climb, and very steep. Here I ask to stop the time, and I go around. It will not look so difficult, but if you look at the scores, you'll understand how hard this course was. Here there is a little switchback. You'll see my car slips a little bit. It's not so comfortable, but then the front right wheel grips up. Now here was a straight shot up. Some people were struggling to get up this portion. Then I'm trying to adjust the car to the gate. The gate itself was okay, but the exit was complicated, so you had to line up the car. And then here, Dario will ask me to stop. He will stop time. I'll stop the car right here because the marker was not on the correct place, which, I mean, it just throws you off a little bit and you lose a bit of the rhythm and the momentum. But I managed to reset and keep everything in check. So I'm digging in. You cannot see, but I'm digging in because the exit was complicated. Then I go down as fast as I can. I go to one bonus that was quite slippery, and here my car will start jumping. Once it starts jumping, just relax, ease out the throttle, and up it goes. And now I'm pushing for time because I wanted to go to 2 bonus, so I go like a madman. This is a gate going downhill, was pretty okay. And you'll see something very funny now. I'll try to go to gate number 7, I believe, and I wanted to jump this rock here, and I jumped it, but I rolled the car, so big mistake on my part, but I really wanted to jump that part. So here I'm trying to recover. I have to be careful with that boundary, and the car rolls down again, and I ended up like that silly jump will end up costing me a rollover. From there straight up to gate 7. Actually I'm a bit, the rollover made me go in a different direction that I was planning to. So I was like asking the judge if this was the right direction. It was. The right gate on the right direction. Turn around, go back down, go to gate number 9, and I've been rushing all this way because I want to go to the second bonus. So the second bonus is on that rock right there. And here I'm trying to set up the car in a way where I thought that the grip was on the rock on the left, but actually no, it was on the wood there. And this is really steep. You cannot see on the video, but this is really steep. I progress, I reverse, and here I make a big mistake. I should have gone down even further, but I'm not. I'm not seeing the car, I'm not comfortable. I stop time, I have to go behind the car, and I try to get out. And I wanted to get out the same way which I came up to the rock. But my car is not really agreeing with me. If I push the rear to make it slide, it will push the front, so I decide to Hail Mary it. And it worked out. I was lucky, of course, because I ended up on the 4 wheels standing upright. I rushed to gate number 10, and that was that. I was very happy with this course.